So today I'm going to cook one of our Filipino favorite dish called Pinakbet. My Pinakbet recipes are pork, string beans, eggplant, squash, bitter melon, okra, tomatoes, ginger, garlic. It's a salted shrimp paste and 1 cup of water. First, I'm going to boil the pork until it's all golden brown. Put the garlic, ginger. Now it's ready to put the tomatoes. Next is salted shrimp paste. And I'm going to put the squash first because it's the hardest one to cook. Mixing. So after 5 minutes of cooking the squash, I'm going to put all the vegetable now because they're all cooked the same time. So just cook it for 30 minutes. Everything should be cooked. Now let's check it out. Wow.